What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark Roden, and today I got some huge news for the Integra build. I'm happy to announce that we got some vinyl wrap, baby. We're going to be actually unboxing this because the company that sponsored me, Aluko Vinyl, visit www.alukovinyl.com. Use code MARK with a capital M. It's just Mark. It's just my name. You don't got to add any numbers, any crazy stuff. Literally just my name. How easy is that to remember? Use code MARK for a massive discount at checkout, which is obviously incredibly helpful if you're looking to wrap a car, because wrap is not cheap in the slightest bit. So use code MARK. Get a huge discount. It's incredible. Thank you, alukovinyl.com. But yeah, today we're going to be unboxing this thing, seeing what is in the package, seeing what is available for you, boy. They also are going to be sponsoring, obviously, the video where I'm actually wrapping the car. This is not today's video, obviously. But today is technically Easter. It's Sunday, but I'm not going to be uploading this until tomorrow. So happy late Easter, everybody. I hope you guys like threw hands with the Easter bunny or something. I really do. But yeah, let's get right into opening this thing without wasting any more time, because I feel like it's going to take a lot longer than I'm expecting. But anyway, let's get right into it. This might look a little bit weird, the way that I had this prepped up. It's like a trap in a video game that I'm supposed to slide under or something. But it would make sense if you were here. It's just a lot easier to go at this angle. But let's get into it. Alright, so we got all the plastic wraps off. Now we just need to get these little thingamajiggers here. Uh-oh, Raggy. Look at that. Oh yeah, you guys got a POV shot of the cutting. Wow, that's the strongest tape ever. Aluko, you don't mess around with your tape, buddy. I'm gonna come back to that one because I'm only doing this with one hand. I don't think I can do this with one hand. Actually, hold on. Can I do, if I set it up, do a nice little, oh yeah. Don't even play with your boy. Alright, so I opened it in the wrong direction, but that's okay. We make mistakes here, baby. And this is it. I am going to be showing you guys a color, by the way. I'll just let you know right now. It's red. Because I want to be able to film the process of us wrapping the whole thing. And I don't want to film it in all, like, black and white. I do want to do, like, a big reveal like everybody does on YouTube, but I just, like I said, I can't. I just don't want to. I don't know. I'd rather film the because this is gonna be our first time wrapping a car, so it should be pretty enjoyable. I feel like I'm gonna learn a lot. You guys can learn a lot. Here's a bunch of stickers. Hood, roof. I don't really know what those are for, if I'm being honest. I mean, obviously you're supposed to put them on the hood, in the roof. I don't. Maybe it's just to like mark where you're doing, but I don't know. Pretty cool stickers. I might just put one sticker on. I don't know. We'll see. I like stickers though, so I'm keeping those. I always like stickers. If you guys don't like stickers, you're not subscribed to this channel. There's no way you're subscribed to this channel. Then we got their nice little, look at this bad mother jib. Hello, partner. And then we gotta obviously get that out, and we'll look at that in a second. But let's open this little package up. I'll stand like this because I don't have a stand or anything. I'm just putting this leaned up against things. Hi guys. All right. Let's see. I hope this is a picture of all the people that work at Aluko wrapping film saying, "We love you, Mark," because I love them. I'm going to send them a picture, a family portrait for Christmas. Okay, what is in here? So, anyway, Aluko wrapping. Things so fancy. Oh my lord, they got so much stuff in here. Holy moly, hold on. Alright, let's see. This is, man, oh no, I'm dropping things. I've dropped the Aluko stickers in the bucket there. Okay, this I'm gonna put over here so it's not all messed up anymore. Cat food bowls, you already know. Okay, hold on now. This, I don't know what this is, but maybe I could put this on like a door when I'm at a hotel so they don't disturb me. I don't know. This, there's a sticker I want to actually put on. Yeah, I want to put something like that on, just on the windows, because I like stickers on the windows, man. Especially since they're sponsoring these videos. Like, this is a huge help. This is a huge sponsor, so definitely going to be putting that on, because I appreciate what Mr. Aluko does for me. I don't know about you guys. I love, like, professionally made stuff. Like, every time I open something up and it's just all professional, this makes me happy, man. Like, look how, like, nice this stuff is. I don't even know what this is saying to me. It's all in an Asian language that I can't read. But I like it, man, okay? I like it. Thank you, Aluko, yet again. I'm going to put that back in there. I'm putting that in my dresser drawer. I'm hanging it up on the refrigerator. My mom's going to be so proud of me. Put this back in here. Just put the sticker back in there. Sticker is going to be going on the Integra because, once again, thank you, Aluko. I appreciate it. These stickers, I don't know what I'm going to do with those yet. I might not do anything with them. I might do something with them. But now, let's get the wrap out of here, and I'm going to unwrap it so you guys can see the color, and then, yeah. Okay, ladies, so since I have to, it has to, like, stay standing up, and I can't, like, let it stand there. I could put it on that little stand there, but it doesn't really work that well considering how heavy this is. They gave me a lot. Like, this is more than enough to wrap the entire car, so. Here is the color reveal. It's nice and red, baby. It's like a Ferrari. Oh my god, did I get it to stand? Look at that! I don't even have to hold it. What? It's not even standing on anything. It's just standing up. That's great. But I'm actually going to keep this part on. I was going to take it all off and just put it in my car. But I'm actually going to keep this on for right now until we actually start wrapping it, just to keep the color actually safe and clean. I know that you could just wash the car and it's not that big a deal, but I don't care. I'm a little bit skeptical. But dude, look at this. Look how thick this is, guys. That's how much vinyl I got from these guys. This is Aluko, man. Look at down there. You could just probably a gremlin hiding out down there or something. Hello? No, it's not. He's not down there. We're going to be trying to wrap the car, hopefully by the end of April, for anybody wondering. But like I said, guys, I've never wrapped a car before in my life. None of my friends really have. I mean, we've tried, but it hasn't really gone that great. So it is going to take a while. So don't expect to be seeing the wrapping video super soon, but it should be here relatively soon. I'm getting back into the swing of things in terms of modifying the Integra. On Thursday this week, we're doing something to it as well. So you're going to be seeing that, I think, next week. We're going to try and make at least one Integra video every single week for the budget build. I got this for completely free, so that obviously entirely helps with the budget build series on the Integra. Oh my god, man, I can't. This is the first time I've ever bought a wrap for a car, by the way. My Z has always just been black. I've never had to wrap it or anything like that. This is a big step, guys. Like, I'm so happy, man. Thank you, Aluko Vinyl. Again, I know I keep saying it like I'm a sellout, but I don't care, man. Thank you, alukovinyl.com. Use code MARK at checkout to get some discounts. It means the world to me, man. It really does. It's crazy. But anyway, that is the end of today's video. I just wanted to show you what we have in store for the Integra. We do have a couple other things that are hiding out in the background of this video that you might have seen, but they're all wrapped up, so it doesn't really matter. You're not going to be able to know what they are, but we do have most of the Integra stuff. As a matter of fact, the only thing that I actually still want to get, not that I need to get, but want to get, is wheels. That's it. I just need wheels. Once I get wheels, pretty much the entire Integra's build is done now, since I got the wrap now. So it's coming along, guys, chugging along. It was just the winter, it was so depressing, but now that it's summer, finally starting to get to work on the Integra. Hope you guys are excited as I am for the budget build. I know I made you guys wait for so freaking long, and I was very bad with that. Finally, though, I think we're going to be getting started on it, so thank you guys for waiting. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Once again, check out alukovinyl.com. Use code MARK to get some discounts. And thank you so much for watching. Das Vidania. Have a nice night.